Mike from Huntsville has a business advice question.
Well, he's retired. He wants to start a handyman business up there, Tom.
Nothing wrong with that.
So Mike writes, I'm looking at repairs, fence building, and those kind of repairs. No new construction, he says.
I understand.
He wants to know, can I change out existing light fixtures and ceiling fans, or does it require a license in Texas? And what can I do? What kind of repairs can a handyman do? He wants your advice.
You can do pretty much anything you want in Texas. Texas is just an open field for everybody.
The law of the West.
But if you get a business card and you call yourself HVAC technician or an electrician or something that's licensed by the state, then you can run into trouble. Just like I can't call myself an architect, but I have a degree in architecture. So there's a fine line. But as far as handyman, yeah, you can hang ceiling fans, change a switch, put in new light fixtures for people. I do it at my house all the time, and I'm not an electrician. As long as you have the skills and the people trust you. I would get a little bit of liability insurance.
I was just thinking, some insurance
That's more
might
to
be a
protect
good,
your clients in case. And people say, why do I need insurance like that? Well, let's say you're painting a room and you happen to spill a gallon of paint on a $15,000 rug you have rolled up in the corner that you were trying to protect. It's an accident, but the insurance will cover that. Or something breaks a window or something like that. You see those commercials on TV. But as far as that goes, go for it. People need good, I don't know, handyman. I don't really like the word, but someone who has some skills to do things around their house.
Something less offensive, like maybe Mr. Fix-It.
That's what they tried to call me at.
Oh, I know.
That other station when I first went on, and I said no way. Yep. Do you know where Mr. Fix-It comes in that little children's book?
No.
With the little dogs and cats and stuff that have the little villages and everything?
No.
I have one that I had when I was a kid. Okay. And there's a guy who was the handyman. They called him Mr. Fix-It. It's all little animal village.
We would be remiss.
That's not good.
We would be remiss in helping you, Mike, if we didn't also mention to you may want to consider setting up an LLC or something.
I was thinking of DBA is good enough. No? Okay, here we go. Business advice. Yes,
here's
Charlie.
Why.
Yes.
Now, I'm no lawyer, but I play one on TV.
Yeah, I don't.
Here's why, Mike. If you're going to go into people's houses and you're going to work on their stuff, and let's just say, like that TV commercial, you knock over and smash their Fabergé egg.
That's Farmers.
Right. Okay.
No, that's the other one.
I don't know. I think it's
a good one.
Yeah, I think it's
Pizza with a nail gun, which is not
or Hartford. I think it's a Hartford. It's one of those companies that collects your money but never pays out. Don't get me started.
Okay.
But anyway,
down the wrong road.
The point is, stay with me. The point is, what you want to do is you want to set up an LLC so that everything happens on that side of that wall, not on your personal side, because then you're doing business with that company and not with you as an individual, because otherwise they can come take everything from you except your house.
And chickens and cows. This is Texas.
Oh, that's right.
Your retirement, they can't touch that.
That's
and
right.
an LLC is a limited liability company.
You're going to be an Inc. is what it's going to be. You're going to be
I'm an Inc.
Yeah, you're going to be
But LLC is a little different than Inc.
Or an S corp.
I'm an S corp.
Either way. Yeah, you want to set something like that up so that you're protected. And so that means, Mike, you're going to have to get with an attorney because you can't do that on your own.
Okay, well, let's not go down that road anymore.
No, I'm just telling you, if you're going to go into
depressed.
I'm being real. I mean, if you're set up a business, he says business advice. So I'm tell you what, if you're going to run a business, the best piece of business advice I can give you is remember, you're running a business, not a hobby, and people will take it seriously. I'm sorry. I just hate to be Mr. Rain on your parade.
You at all. I'm not raining on me at all.
Okay. Just want to make sure that
Are you sure it's rain? Okay. We won't go there, Judge Judy.
I'm sure it's good advice you get every time you write us a question. HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. Send it to us. We'll answer it like these videos over here. Subscribe to our channel, will you please?